Which one is it? Yeah.
Is one hatching?
I don't know yet. Okay. I can probably see better. I can't see from this stupid leaves.
Maybe try to move the ladder again.
No. You have to move this. One hatched. That. Oh my gosh, it's hatching! Mom, it's not dead. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Mommy, can we keep it?
No.
Well, we kind of are keeping it because it's in our tree. Mom, it's like it's wearing a little hat. Oh my god. I think you're... Capsule. I don't... Oh, pause. It won't stop.
It's okay.
I'm just going to keep on videotaping it. It's adorable. Can you see it?
No, but I'll watch it in a little bit.
The life cycle of a baby. Oh my gosh, that is like adorable. It looks dead now. Wait, no, it's still moving. It's just having trouble getting the egg off his head.
All right, so we should probably come check